Hello. Now that we have seen how to add fields in the code line items using the line editor field set, in this lecture we will dive in more to learn how to add or remove fields within the code line pricing fields. As we have seen before, once the sales reps click on the narrow button, they are prompted with these pricing fields regarding that specific line. Well, we can add or remove field here as well by configuring the code line object. Except this time, instead of line editor, we will configure the standard line item drawer field set. So without any further ado, let's do it together. So we stay under the same object, code line, then we navigate to field set, and this time instead of line editor, we go to standard line item drawer. As you can see here, we have the different pricing field, pricing method, original price, etc. that we have here. For the record, we will see more about these fields in a specific section called Pricing in Salesforce CPQ. We will dive into the types of pricing in Salesforce and the meaning of each of these fields. So next, you can add the fields you want to add. For instance, we can add the billing type, description, cost editable, billing frequency, etc. And then you hit save. So if we go back to our code and refresh, then click the narrow button, we will see that the field that we have just added are here in the code line item. So far we have seen how to add fields in the code header, how to add fields on the code group, how to add fields on the code line table, either in the columns or in the pricing fields. In the next lecture, we will learn how to add or remove these buttons.
Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course in Master Salesforce CPQ today, use the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.